So, Nobody is Home is a documentary-based theater project jointly created by the Philippine Educational Theater Association and
Mecklenburgisches Staatstheater in Schwerin in Germany.
yes. So maybe Nino, you would like to share to the audience the process or how it all started, this project.
Yes, it started a long time ago in 2019, and as you all know, in 2020 there was the pandemic, so doing an international theatre cooperation was not so easy. What we did with our author Lisa Maktoto was already having a lot of interview with the nurses, and we understood like Filipino nurses in Germany, but also Filipino nurses who were about to go to Germany, blocked by the pandemic. And some of them were by the time not in Germany, now they are in Germany. So it was a lot of intercontinental interviewing, but mostly through Zoom. And then we did a small show on this thing because we said it's getting harder and harder during the pandemic. Let's still show the voices of the nurses. It was hybrid, halfly in Germany we showed it live, but here only online. And then we got finally the funding. I went here to the Philippines, I met Jamie, we refined our approval, and we got funding. And I take this chance to say that we were funded by Goethe-Institut Manila, by Friedrich Ebert Stiftung Philippines, and they not only funded us financially, but also supported us with so many contacts. Some of you might be related to whatever, CMA, Agbayan. They were all part of the process, and the biggest funding came from the German Cultural Foundation, Deutsche Bundeskulturstiftung, and we are very happy that therefore we could be here and we share now a stage which was intended in 2019 and it came true. So cling on to your dreams.
Yes. So yun na nga. So last year, dahil na-approve yung funding namin, edi from the text of Lisa Magtoto, together with our dramaturg Philip Claus and the two of us, we tried to finalize the text, a working text, before we try to play it here in the Philippines. So over the past 3 weeks, finally, the actors and staff from Germany came here in Manila. We did some improvising, devising, we struggled. we
worked so hard.
We worked so hard, but then because of we cared so much with what we do and our work, and yun na nga, we came up with this care performance in progress piece that you will about to see right now. It will be premiered here. This is our last show here in Manila, and in October we'll bring it sa Germany. Akalain mo, yon. So that we could also share it to the nurses, Filipino nurses in Germany.
And to the German nurses, of
yes,
course.
Of course.
And to every German who wants to visit the theater.
Tama. Ayun. And so, just a few content advisory notes. The performance will run 1 hour and 45 minutes without intermission. Magkakaroon po tayo ng maiksing talkback pagkatapos ng palabas para mag-usapan yung mga usapin o mga paksa na pag-usapan sa dula. At iniimbita rin namin kayo na pagkatapos ng talkback, sa labas po meron po kaming post-show audience survey kung saan gusto namin malaman kung kamusta kayo sa palabas, ano pa yung mga dula na gusto nyo mapanood sa aming tanghalan dito sa PETA. Carrie Bells? Yes. So yeah, without further ado,
did you say something I didn't understand about the multimeter?
Not yet. Oo nga pala, may isa pa pala kaming kailangan. Yes, go. You should share it.
But it was now a spoiler. But keep your cell phones ready, not only for the survey, there will also be a small moment in the play where you could use it.
So. You could use your phone, but please, put it into silent mode po, no? Para po, at saka bawas po tayo ng flashes. And after the show, please share your thoughts, insights sa aming mga social media accounts at PETA Theater. Yes?
And
now,
we say it again.
Yes, now we welcome you to Nobody is Home. Danke!
Salamat po.